See, what I see in the commercial world is there's many businesses out there that feel they have nowhere to go. They go to their bank, and once they go to their bank and their bank says no, they sort of go away and hide their tail between their legs and don't believe there's anywhere else to go.
One of the main issues at the moment is in the finance industry with the increased banking regulation and also tightening of lending. It's becoming extremely difficult for a lot of developers to obtain suitable funding for their projects. What I really like about Paul is he has an ability to resolve a lot of the issues facing traditional development and funding and assist clients to get alternative forms of funding which basically allow the client to complete their projects on time and make an acceptable profit.
What I have the ability to be able to do, and have done for many businesses, is separate all that sort of structure away from the one entity. Because I find a business will operate a lot better if they know that they can still borrow some money over here and it only relies on, say, equipment finance, for example.
He is very good at quickly ascertaining what a client's situation is, the problems that they are faced with and how he can resolve them the easiest.
Because if we don't do that, there's going to be many more businesses go under than what's already gone under in the last 10 years. The system that I've put together will open this market up to a much broader spectrum, which is worldwide. I believe that the system will bring the interest rate down, make it more favourable to the client, but also fantastic for a lot of investors here in Australia and also offshore that aren't getting any returns on their money whatsoever. The system's called AusWise Finance. And this system, we've designed an online application process for the client, and we've designed a phone app for the investor. So it's a bidding system. So basically, high net worth investors anywhere in the world can bid on a loan here in Australia. So they become the bank. So we take that one central control point away, and we educate them in what we know works. The app shows them in a brief example on the deals that's on offer. They look at those briefs and then it gives them enough information to decide whether that's something that they would like to put their money into. They keep their money in their bank or in their control at all times until we've done our job as a facilitator and made sure that the client is 100%, the deal is 100%, the property's worth what they say it's worth, and the investor is also 100%. On the other side of things for the client, there is absolutely no charge to put an application online. Once they choose 3 investors they would like to fund their deal, we charge them a small fee to do the facilitation at that point there. Up to that point, there's no charge for them whatsoever. The only other charges they have after that is they've got to pay for a evaluation, which is at market rates, and any other charges come out at settlement. They don't pay for anything more out of their pocket. The other good thing about this system is that I don't know of any other investment that I can think of where you're paid monthly returns in advance. The client pays the investor directly in advance their monthly payments on their mortgage. So the investor receives all the benefit without any middleman at all.
There's a lot of brokers in the marketplace that don't have the same professional acumen and expertise in resolving clients' problems. Unfortunately, that often can lead to misadvice or misinformation where the client goes down the track only to find out after some time they can't get the suitable funding. And so it's a lose-lose outcome. So where Paul's greatest strength, in my experience, is he has a very professional outlook on how he approaches clients, assessing their needs and identifying the right funding solutions for them.